Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you a way to start off with the electric guitar. As you can see today I got my Telecaster, so I'm going to play a really easy bunch of exercises about rhythm and palm muting. First off, we need to learn how to pick in palm muting style. Palm muting style is something really easy to do. We just need to lay our palm on the bridge of the guitar, but really we don't need to stop strings, but we just need to put our palm in a soft way, really delicate way, until it sound like this, not like this, but a little bit. We need just to feel the strings under our palm. We can understand this easily because when we play open string like this, the sound goes freely. If we put our palm on the bridge, sound will be a little bit muffled, like this. So we're gonna set up our click, our metronome, around 60 or 70 BPM to start with. And then we just need to play the first string free with no finger on it. But with the index we just need to stop the other 5 strings, like this. Until we feel the sound goes right. And then we can double it, we can play twice, so like this. Okay, so it's really easy. So first exercise, that's the first chord, and then okay. All we need to know is just we need to open the first chord, which is a power chord, and then the E string. Okay, second exercise is a rhythm from Crashing Day, a really famous song, and it plays like this. Okay, third exercise is a really famous riff from Jimmy Page, Led Zeppelin, Wall of Love. We need to know that we got these chords again, E string, and then B, D, B, D, E. Okay, so the rhythm is like this: 3, 4. Okay, that's it for today. This is just an inception of what rock is based on. So riffs are really important. So we just need to get used to them because they are really important and even really funny to play. So follow my channel, follow my new videos. If you want to subscribe, just click on it, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.